Okay. Hello? Why can't I hear? I can go get. Alright, let's go get these tech points real quick. There we go. Alright, where are the tech points at? They up here? No, they're down here. Oh, are they in the building? Come on, man. We don't like that. Alright. Oh, okay. How are we going to get past these people? Can I not just run through there? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh! Shit. You know, I'm gonna be honest. I just kind of hopped into this without even getting acquainted with the game. That motherfucker's got a gun. This is not good for this character. Oh, don't shoot me. Oh no, I need to get out of here. I might die. This is not good. No, please don't. Okay, I need to have more of a plan if I go and do that again. Ooh. What? My game just freeze. Why is it happening? What?
Press button A.
Okay, let's try this again. Kind of works out that the game froze, because obviously I was not prepared for that situation. I don't know the best way to go about this. I've had this problem, where I haven't been wanting to play this game because I'm worried about my characters dying. Like I don't want to lose a character that I'm like, attached to. Like this guy's a construction worker. I really fuck with him, but I don't want him to die, and then I just don't have him anymore. That would suck. And I'd also have to do a whole other mission for him too. So, okay. What do we need to do? Probably need to do disrupt propaganda. Okay, that seems fine. But let's change to the girl. She is our best operator. Or operative, whatever. But, I don't know. I want the best chance to survive with these characters, I think. So, yeah. Alright. Let's try not to die.
Technology apparently is here to stay. There's no way around it now. Much as I'd like to go back to the 18th century and see if we can have a crack at the Industrial Revolution and get it there this time. But new tech is creating 4,000 jobs. Count them all, 4,000 new jobs. Thanks to this investment.
I mean, that's a very exciting thing if you're someone who wants to work in the tech sector, but I can only assume that this tech investment has created 4,000 jobs that will immediately be taken by robots.
Even if they're not, they'll be jobs that no one in their right sane.
Oh, there goes Arya spending money.
That's the price of progress, I guess.
Cool. He needs to die quick.
Taking over everything, because maybe this is
Shuffle him out here? Alright, how do I get in this building? Wait, what? Okay, how do I get up? Is this a situation where I need a drone now? I swear to God, if I need a drone to get up there, I'm gonna be pissed. That camera isn't gonna alert anyone, is it? I don't think it will. Alright. Let's interact with that.
This calls for some redecoration. Museum quality, I'd say. Done and done.
You're done so far as the Imperial Museum is concerned, but a little less Albion propaganda in Lambert will go a long way.
Yeah. That's all I had to do. All I had to do was climb up there and take that out. That's pretty easy then. Alright. Let's just see if there's any other things we can do here. Yeah, let's head over there. Digital deface. See, it's kind of cool to fly on these things, because, you're flying and shit, but this is how fast they go. And that's the annoying part. Good thing is, it looks like we need to be on the roof anyway, so... Yeah, I'm probably not going to take this as a transportation anymore. I don't know why I'm doing it right now. Well, everything looks like it's going as it should be. As far as stuff. Wait, can I not go? I can't go any higher. Fuck. How am I supposed to get up there and then? Oh, probably through here if I had to guess. Sorry. Oh, that is a guard. Don't mind me, just flying and shit. Okay, so this is a whole ass like compound over here. Alright, so where is the place that we need to be at though to get up there? If we can't fly up there, we just need to get as close as possible.
Okay, so you don't get shot. Easy.
It looks like over here is probably the best option. Alright. We got 2 people in a turret, right? No, 3 people in a turret. 4 people in a turret, okay. You don't see a thing. Alright, now that we're in... Oh, no. Fuck. Okay, that's how to get around corners and stuff like that. Shit. Is she... Oh, no. No. Oh, fuck. Nope. You ain't gonna make it stop at all. You don't see anything, turret. Alright, how? Don't see that body. Oh!
There's something over there.
Oh no.
They got one.
Nope. No, they didn't. They got 2. Alright, disable that.
Shit, sucker.
Oh no, this is not a fight I want to be in. Alright, we're good now. Oh fuck. The turret, is the turret back up? Okay, cool. We need to disable that again. Yeah, that was a big mistake. Okay, climb. How? Oh, no, you don't see a thing. How the fuck do I get up there? No. Jesus Christ, this is a bad situation. Let's drop down. Okay, so if I trip that, they're gonna know I'm here. What? Okay. Ah, there we go. Alright. At the very least, we can get some of the tech points that are over here. Alright, where are the tech points at? Oh, I gotta use the... Oh? No. No, no, no. What? Oh no. Alright, this is just a straight up fist fight scenario. I got a 2v1. One good thing is if you don't shoot them, they won't shoot you. Okay, shock. That is one thing that's kind of nice. This is... Oh, okay. So that's how to go. No, no, no. I was hoping I could sneak past him. Yep, hit him with a little distract. Come around, take down. Alright. Now, I need to focus on getting them tech points. That leads... Okay, is there an elevator or some shit? Oh. How far down does that go? Does that go all the way down? What is wrong with me? What is actually wrong with me? Okay. Well, the spider bot thing. How do we use that? I forgot how to use that, if I'm being honest. Tech. Okay, yep. Do we have to select it? Team, edit, yeah, gadget. Cannot modify while in combat. Damn it. So we're gonna have to come back later if we want to get the tech points now? Fuck. Okay. Well, here's the plan. What? Oh no. No, you go down. We don't like you, bro. We're just gonna zip zoppity zoop on out of here, over here, ride the lift up, and do whatever is up on top. Can I hack it while I'm on it? Yeah. No. Can I not hack it while I'm on it? Okay, there we go. Just kind of vibing on the lift, you know. Just simple things. We gotta be almost at the top, right? Yeah, there we are.
Why don't I brighten the place up a bit? That's brightened things up, hasn't it?
Alright.
Not just anyone could heroically vandalise a hospital, but you're not just anyone, are you? The
What?
people of Lambeth are sure to love this.
Is this a hospital? This is a big ass hospital. Alright, I need to... Yeah, there we go. Riding the lift down, you know. Simple things in life. Wait, am I at... Yeah, I'm still in combat area. Okay. Oh my god, why is this so specific where you have to hit it in order to take it down? There we go. Wonder why that little beam of light's coming off like it is. Makes me curious. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. We'll hijack this, take it out the combat zone. Then we're gonna switch operatives once we're out the combat zone. Or actually, oh wait, no, we don't even have to switch operatives, do we? Yeah, no, we don't. Okay, cool. Then we just go over here, and no biggie. Alright. I am cool with that. The only problem that I haven't solved yet is where does that come in from? I have no clue. That looks like it'd be a good start. Right? Oh no. Does it see the person or does it see the drone? Because if it's the drone, that's not a problem now. What? Well, guess we'll try that again. Guess I'll just look around, see if there's any other areas that it could possibly... Okay, it could go in there. That looks like it'd be it. Okay, it could go in there. That looks like it'd be it. Alright, is it ready? It's about to be ready. I think I need to turn my game audio up a little bit. Alright, is there a gate in here like there was on the other side? Because if there is, that would be a What? Why does it go this way? I can't even avoid that. It like pops up at the last second. Oh wait, I can just take one out like that? Oh, okay. Alright, let's try this fucking again. Jesus. Third time's a charm, hopefully. There's gotta be a disable thing in here, right? Okay. Is it a pattern, maybe? Yeah, it's a pattern. Okay. So you're telling me I've just happened to link up at the exact wrong time? Wait, where does that other crate come in from then if those two link? Okay, cool that I got that. What am I getting seen by? Alright, let's walk out that door. Hold up. Hey! Hey! What the hell, bro? You almost killed me. Do they know I'm here? Yeah, they know I'm here. Damn it. I need to keep looking around. I need those tech points. Where does this thing come in from? Can this thing quit fucking following me? Yeah. Get down. Refilling the ammo. I wish there was a way I could just take that down for good, but I don't have access to that if that's a thing. Let's just get up here and fly away. Alright, well, that is unfortunate. I had to take the L on that. Because one, I couldn't find the vent, and two, there was stuff chasing me. But end of the day, we're still alive. Alright. We are going to change over to Arya, the granddad. We're gonna have some fun now. Because he is our oldest operative. He is very immobile. He buys clothes randomly and is honestly costing me money that I could be using.
No, I'm always ready for
He's always ready for that action. Alright, what are we gonna... Oh, fuck. Look at that. He's not even here anymore. Can he not even climb down this? I don't even think he can climb down that. My god. Alright. We need to get a car. And we need to go do a mission with him. Hey. That dude's kind of cool looking. He's got a shock rifle? Hey. Hey. Excuse me. Yeah. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the recruitment mission for this guy with the old guy. That is a hell of a beard.
Was just looking for someone who could get to difficult places. Think you fit the description?
Sounds like you're up to some naughty
Honestly, I don't really even care about what they're saying, so I'm just going to skip it.
What's his story, Bags?
He's certainly popular. Not only does he have an active arrest warrant, but the Kellys have a bounty on his head. Actually, that's the opposite of popular, isn't it?
Impressive. Wonder what it takes to make that many enemies.
Good question. You could dig around and see what turns up.
Alright, now that I got that sent. Excuse me. I need a car. I'm just gonna take someone's car from them. No biggie. Hello, can I take your fucking car? That's my British accent. Alright, where are these places on the map? Okay, that's closest, so we're gonna go there first.
Occasionally in the goddamn country. So that's, again, it's a step forward.
Again, I insist that there's never been a Prime Minister, Andy. I've never seen him, I've never heard of him. The only times I ever hear what the Prime Minister does is when...
God, sometimes you can zoom with these cars, man. You can just, like, this is kind of going fast right now, I ain't gonna lie. It's a little hard to control.
Yeah, it would be, I think we'd all be happy with that. We'd all know where we stood.
You hear him being praised for his diplomatic skills all the time, but the best mark of diplomacy is when nothing happens. So good diplomacy is indistinguishable from him doing absolutely nothing.
You are listening to the bar. 4,000 new...
Can I shimmy up that pole with this old man? Oh, no, not auto drive. Dude, that would be hilarious if I could do that.
You found the spot.
Please don't tell me I can do this. I'm gonna lose my mind if I can. Oh my god, I fucking can. What is this? This is hilarious. This dude can't move hardly at all and he just shimmied his way up a pole. Okay. How do we need to get to where we need to be over there? Are there people in here? Oh god, there's a person in here. Hey. I'm gonna save you to the recruits. Okay. I can't climb that or anything. No, can't climb it. Alright, I'm in the combat zone now. Trotting along this railroad track, you know. Hopefully a train don't come. Because I don't know if I'm going to be able to move out the way. Can I survive that fall? I don't know where I'm supposed to be right now. Fuck it. Whew. Took a little bit of damage, but it's alright. Alright. We need to ride around on a moped because his run speed is way too slow. Okay, this is the area I need to be at, right? Oh no. You wouldn't. No, don't beat me up. No, please. What? Oh, slap. Hit. Oh, I just tried to hit him with a taser. Oh, fuck. He can't dodge that good. Oh. You know what? Fuck you. Yeah, that's right. That's what you get for beating up an old man. Now, how do I get in here? That wasn't even the entrance? Where is the fucking entrance at? There it is. Oh shit, he's got a gun. Come on. Alright. Action Grandpa. Look at that. Athleticism. Pure athleticism. Is this not the entrance either? Where is the entrance to this place? Don't tell me it's on the roof. I'm out here saying fuck 12. Okay. How do I put up my gun? Okay, there we go. Where is this entrance at? Okay, can I get up here? Do I need to... I think I might need to drive this around, right? How high does this go? Okay, still going. That's good news. Okay. Alright, so how do I get... Oh, I had to shimmy up the pole. Alright. Was literally right beside where I... Yeah, no, that isn't gonna work. Alright. There we go. Okay. This is a struggle. This is a real fucking struggle. Can I at least get the tech points? Are they easy to retrieve? Should be on this level, right? Are they in there? I don't know. Are you a guard? He is. Hey. Excuse me. Oh no, why didn't he tase him? Slap, slap, slap. Punch, slap. Let's go. I'm just a grandpa wandering around. Oh. You don't see me? It was nothing. No. You'll never catch me. You'll never fucking catch me. I'm too quick. I'm too quick for you. I'm downloading the key. Oh! You wouldn't. Oh, hold up. Got him. Hey!
That's the CTOS up there.
You don't see me. Excuse me, do you know how this works?
Oh, shut up, you're not worth my time.
You're not worth my time. Okay. I have to use this, don't I? Yeah. Oh, I'm hungry.
The Met has him flagged as a suspected vigilante.
Alright, well, we did that.
A literal view of crime fighting.
Now,
He raised
oh,
Clan
no,
Kelly
you don't see me.
the absolute piss out of whoever runs them.
Well, he's piquing my interest.
Okay, so the
Tracking his optic.
tech points should be in here. Yeah, there they are. This dude's already done a better job. What the fuck? What? Okay, let's just try and get out of here without dying. Isn't this something I need to do? Why doesn't it allow me to do this? I want to do that. Okay. Well, since it's not allowing me to do it, whatever. Oh no. You don't see a thing. Let's hop down here. I'm getting ready to make the greatest escape of all time. Shimmy down the pole. MI6 in this bitch. Oh fuck. Who knows what triggered the alarm, man? Alright, investigate the Kelly hideout. So, I need to go down. What? Damn it. No. Don't mind me. What is happening? What? Okay. I see the problem here. Oh. Did I just... What? Did I just hit that person? Alright, I need a car. You didn't see a thing. Stop, please. I need your car.
Who bought shares in Bloom before its tentacles grew?
Okay. Now we go here. Ooh. Alright. There we go. I'm about to zoom through this thing. Yow. Ooh, nice little yow. Ooh. Okay. This grandpa knows how to fucking drive. Excuse me, sir. I could take him down.
Hey, fuck you, now that was mental. Man comes running in, yeah? Then his fists up. Bow, bow.
Bow. Yeah.
He dropped before he was knocked out.
He needs our help.
What?
Understatement of the fucking year.
Okay. I don't care about the storyline. Just give me the action.
So he tried to take on a criminal
Action grandpa about to get with it.
Got himself in trouble. My, who could have seen that coming?
If we did him a favor, he might be inclined to join us.
Wait. Am I just recruiting a random dude?
You should say that.
I thought I was here to recruit Nicholas Shaw. Is he... What? Oh, okay. Oh, so they're just in there. Alright. I was confused for a second. Alright, so I think this is... Oh, no. Did I just accidentally alert that person? Fuck. I'm just a grandpa. Uh-oh. Eat! Eat! Put on the helmet. Yeah! It's shimmying time. There's a pole up there that I'm probably gonna have to shimmy up. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, yay. Give me the mic so I can... Oh! Oh! No! Ah! I'm not afraid to... Oh! Fuck! I'm not afraid to hit a woman. Oh! I'm definitely not afraid to shoot one either, bitch. Aha! I was getting ready to die. I had no other choice. You can still surrender? Are you only saying that to me because I'm a grandpa? That is ageist as fuck. Shimmy up the pole, shimmy up the pole. Hey! Yeah! Grandpa to the rescue! Oh! Whew. What happened to Beardy? That's not Beardy! What? Oh no. Alright, slide down. Slide down. Oh no. Okay, I didn't take any damage. I need the tech points too. How do I get the tech points? Alright, come on. I guess I won't get the tech points this time. I'll just come back and get them later. Gotta make the quick escape. You need help? Oh! No, that was the dude I took out earlier. Here, I'll help you. Got him.
And I'll just write down the headlines I want to read. I'll just make my own newspaper and it is. Here, I've got today. If you point at the bird shit on your car window and say it's a currency, no one can tell you otherwise. Screams Chancellor at Bilderberg, karaoke night. That's right, another headline. Here we go. PM announces...
I don't know how to drive in fucking London. So I'm not getting followed, right? The mission should just end soon. Oh. Yeah, I'm not getting followed, so shouldn't I just be free? What? Where's he going?
Environment probably fine, claims drowning scientist. Invent the world you want to have, people.
Do I need to talk to him, don't I? How did I get a license? Shut the fuck up. Excuse me. taking me a little while to get there.
Are you alright?
Thought I was done for.
I know what you mean, but really, how do you expect to take on all the underworld scum in this city? I think you've seen one too many superhero films. If Lady Luck wasn't on your side, you'd be dead right now.
You know, I've never been afraid of dying. To be honest, I was almost hoping for it at first. But going and doing this, it's given me something. Know what I mean? Something to live for. I'm not stopping. I don't care what the risks are.
In DedSec, the more the merrier. Care to join us?
You kidding? Hell yeah.
Okay, well, we got an operator, not the one I thought it was gonna be, but okay, we did what we got up here to do. So thank you for watching, and peace.